So today I will be showing you how to solve the equation, how many atoms of oxygen are in 45.32 grams of silver perchlorate. So I'm first going to draw how I'm going to set up this equation in order to solve for atoms of oxygen. I'm going to start with the grams of AgClO4, then convert to moles of AgClO4 to moles of oxygen, and then atoms of oxygen. So now that we have, seen our setup in order to conduct this equation, we're going to put it into effect. So we are going to start with the 45.32 grams, as I had said, and then we're going to find the total mass of the AgClO4, and you do that by adding up all of these masses together. So, for example, Ag equals the 107.87, and then chlorine is 35.5, and then oxygen has a mass of 16, but since there are 4 oxygens, you're going to multiply the 16 by 4 and get 64. You can find all these masses on the periodic table, and once you have added all of those masses, you would get 207.37 grams of AgClO4, and that way you can cancel out this with this one. In addition with that, you would place 1 mole of AgClO4 in order to get your moles. You would then place 1 mole of AgClO4, so that way the moles can cancel out of AgClO4, and you would place 4 moles of oxygen, and there are 4 moles of oxygen because, yet again, there are 4 here. So I'm going to continue my equation over here because I've run out of room. So you would then multiply by 1 mole of oxygen with the 6.23 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of oxygen, and you use this ratio because it is a constant when you are trying to convert moles to atoms. So after your setup, make sure to cancel out, the same factors, so that way you only have one factor, which is the atoms of oxygen. Then you place it into your calculator, and you would get 5.44 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of oxygen.